Hello, dear friends. Today, I'm going to share my experience on how to effectively lose 5 to 7 pounds. In 1 month, everyone has their own weight loss journey, and I want to be here with you on yours.
A few moments later.
If you're ready to achieve this goal and support each other along the way, keep watching and share your thoughts in the comments. Let's take this step toward change together and celebrate our results. Are you ready? Then let's get started. For breakfast, we have a protein-packed start. You will need 2 eggs, 1/2 avocado, and 1 slice of whole grain bread. This high-protein breakfast will keep you full for a long time and help you stay energized throughout the day. Have you tried this breakfast before? What were your results? Let us know in the comments. For lunch, we'll have a detox salad made of spinach, cucumber, green apple, olive oil, and lemon juice. This salad cleanses your body and boosts metabolism. Many of you might wonder if you can really lose weight with meals like this. And the answer is yes. This salad will keep you feeling full and help you avoid extra calories. If you enjoy salads like this, share your favorite ingredients with us. For dinner, we'll have salmon and steamed broccoli, rich in protein yet low in calories. This meal will help you feel light and satisfied in the evening. With meals like this, you'll avoid weight issues at bedtime, and the fat in your body will start to decrease. Do you like fish? Or would you suggest another low-calorie meal? Share your thoughts in the comments. Don't forget to stay hydrated with our detox water made with lemon, mint, and cinnamon. This drink will cleanse your body and boost metabolism. Many of our viewers have already seen the benefits of this detox water. How about you? Have you tried it yet? Share your experience with us. Next is physical activity. Aim for at least 30 minutes of exercise, 4 to 5 times a week. Running, yoga, or HIIT workouts. Exercise helps burn fat and strengthen muscles. Imagine just 30 minutes of exercise can help you lose 5 to 7 pounds in a month. What kind of exercise do you enjoy? Let us know in the comments. Maybe it'll be helpful to other viewers as well. Dear viewers, if you follow these tips every day, it's possible to lose 5 to 7 pounds in 1 month. Consistency and motivation are key. Follow this program and share your results. With us, we can support each other. What changes do you think you'll see in a month? Let's achieve this goal together. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. Follow this program and share your results with us. Let's take this journey to stay healthy and fit together. Which part did you like the most? I'm waiting for your comments.